Back in the 80s, when I was a kid, my mum used to make me the most delicious baked egg and honey custard. Just like her mother before her, it was her silver bullet for anything. Have you got a sore throat? Easy, have some egg custard. Feeling a little bit low? Egg custard will fix it. I'm just so lucky that her love language was food, because that egg recipe has followed me through the ages, saving me time and time again with its nostalgic honey warmth, nourishing eggy goodness and delicious, quick simplicity. It only takes minutes to make with a handful of budget-friendly ingredients. And here I am today, making it for my own kids with my own floral twist. I've tweaked it to be steamed silky smooth instead of baked firm like she used to do, and added some rose water and gorgeous edible flowers to make a quick, nourishing and budget-friendly dessert into something truly stunning. A honey, butter and rose water syrup is the perfect topping for the jiggly, smooth and nutrient-packed steamed eggs. Slicing the top lets the syrup really soak in, creating a decadent dessert that has come a long way from my childhood. And the finishing touch of edible petals creates a fancy effect that I just find so hard to beat. But it's the scoop of the silky smooth custard that brings all my childhood memories flooding right back. It's a warm cuddle for whatever I'm going through, threaded through with gentle sweetness. Look at that! Silky smooth, so good for you, and so versatile that I might just have to show you a savoury version. I really hope you like it. Enjoy!